Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Panda Pizza. Who should I get out? Dash, you go out now. Hello there. From elevator 14S coming to you from sector 15S. As promised, this is going to be St. Augustine, elevator A. Sorry. Gaylord Hotels Resort, Kissimmee, Florida. Come to the elevator, I just don't mind me.
It's okay.
This one is the first floor. Go on the lower level. Okay.
Yeah, we're off. We did not.
We're at the lower level. Did the same thing at that one place did. 9. I even compared it to that place. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my goodness. This thing just went crazy on me. Yeah, this is an eco disc. These things are eco discs. See, can I get a view? Oh yes, I can. Pretty nice view. Don't know how long I'll be waiting, but yeah, these things are a mod? That does not look like a Kone thing. Same thing I did last time. Look at this picture, Kone KSS220. If you've ever seen the made for YouTube special, you'll know what I'm talking about. What the heck? Here we go. 9th floor. Stopping at 6. Going down.
Yeah, so it's just the pool.
Which one y'all going to? 1?
Yeah.
Yes. Or is it lobby?
Yep, that's first floor.
Oh, okay.
Lower level is where the pool, LL's pool. So.
Okay.
But if you're trying to get to the pool area, you're gonna have to transfer somewhere else. You have to get off at 1 and then go to St. Augustine Bank. No, Emerald Bay Bank. Excuse me.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to see the atrium, and we're also going to eat dinner by the pool.
Yeah, you want to go to Emerald Bay Elevator A. It's at 114 St. George Street. You know where that is. Here y'all are. So okay, so where y'all are gonna want to go is
several bad puns later.
About that confusion and delay, but here's the little view into the atrium. Sorry, people here. I'm gonna get those elevators over there next. We are currently on Grand Avenue, as you can see. I gotta get going. Now we are on Key West Way. This is kind of interesting, not strange, but interesting. It's kind of funny that I haven't been here for over a year, but I still know exactly where to go. Here's the castle thing, and they're doing some kind of event. I would do Key West, but this is all I have time for. So here's the elevator B. Hopefully these things behave themselves.
Oh, it's locked off.
$62.25. Here we go. We're back at, oh, button already went out. Goodness gracious. I'm not going down there. I'm not going to what should be a locked off floor. Did not feel good at all. 6225 has spoken. Again, very nice cab. KSS 220, ADA compliant phone. Classic leveling of it. So I guess that'll be it for this one. Stay tuned for Emerald Bay.